Found them. Found them both. Our property way over there. They're pretty good about coming, both of them. I just clap my hands because I can't whistle. Blue. You all wore out. There's Prime. What was that, Prime? Blue doesn't have her collar on. So I gotta get her collar. That's not cool. So I make a dog snatcher. Alright, we're all done. Go stay dry wherever you stay dry at. Let me have that ball. No, give it to me. I'll put it right up here. Since you can't get up here. There. There, it's right there. You can't get up here, can you? Come on. No, I didn't think so. Oh, you little... What? Do that again. Do it again. Go on, go. Get it, Blue, get it. Get your ball. I can't believe you can get up there. I thought the other ball rolled down there. But it didn't. She got it. Okay. All right. Let my phone go down there. All right, come on. Come on. Ready? Ooh. It's raining. Kia got right in her way. Prime, I saw your tuk-tuk. Get your tuk-tuk. Okay. Prime, your tuk-tuk. Your tuk-tuk right here. Prime, your tuk-tuk. Where's your tuk-tuk? Get your tuk-tuk. Yeah, get your tuk-tuk. Come here. Come here. What should call it? Babosa? Prime's kind of babosa. Balbosa? Bubosa? Oh, something like that. Shit, now we're gonna find it. It went right in the weeds. He always loses it in those weeds. I'm gone. It's too wet. Where'd your tuk-tuk go? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this awning down.